Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a turtle pineapple. It's going to be a very kawaii, cute drawing, so it's going to be simple for beginners. I'm going to be using this. This is a Crayola brand marker, and this is simple drawing paper. I'm sorry, not even drawing paper. It's simple printing paper, but you can definitely draw on it. So you can use anything you want, and that's pretty much it, honestly. If you want, you can just watch. You don't have to do it with me, but it would help a lot more if you did it with me. So let us get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line here for the turtle's head, down, and then pull in. Things tend to look like cooler in marker. You don't have to do it. Again, it's not like a huge deal. All right, gonna go over here, curve down for the back of the turtle's head, and I'm gonna pull out a little bit for the shell. I mean, not the shell, for the neck. Gonna go over here. Remember I said kawaii involves? Kawaii drawings involve a usually low on the head eyes and then far away. So circle right here. Make it sure it's far away, and low, circle right here. So these are far away. And I'm gonna fill that in except for the top left corner right there for the highlight. I'm gonna draw a little smile in the middle. Make sure you keep it kawaii, keep it cute. Pulling out here and straight here for the neck. Gonna close this. Line over here. Alrighty. And now we're gonna draw the turtle shell, which is basically be like a pineapple. So go over here, and I'm gonna draw a little bit of that pineapple. You know, those pineapples are spiky, so I'm gonna keep it round though, but draw a straight part right here because you're gonna have the pineapple plant coming from the top. I'm just kind of doing this, all right? The pointy kind of texture of a pineapple, like that base of the pineapple. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm going to pull the legs. There's one leg, another leg far on the far end over there, and I'm gonna do another leg back here. Just very simple shapes for the legs, right? Really simplistic. And the one in the back I'm gonna fill in with dark because it's receding in the background. We want it to go backwards. Going over here, curve line, curve line, curve line for the nails. They're basically little tiny gravestones for kind of turtle nails. And now we're gonna go to the top here, and we're gonna go kind of this like almost explosion shape, right? But it's gonna be the plant part of the pineapple. Like so. Doing pretty good, chilling out. Hopefully you're having a good time as well with me. I'm gonna throw a line across, throw a line across, throw a line across, throw a line across, throw a line across here, because you want that texture of the base of that pineapple, because that's gonna be a big deal. And I'm gonna put this side as well. Just kind of drawing, again, you like that kind of overlapping pattern creates a texture, and that's kind of what you want, really. All right, gonna go in here as well because you want to draw the actual you know, the parts of the pineapple here. Sorry, the parts of the kind of the plant part. So you want to show that there's something going on the inside here. Kind of do these randomly. They don't have to be in any particular position or anything like that. It's, you know, again, just kind of fun to do that. And I might fill in this part here of the neck to show, but not all of it, right? I want to show that he's got that little house there. Maybe throw in a couple of little darker ones here to show that some are deeper than others. But you don't have to do that. That's kind of an addition I'm adding in because I think that just kind of looks nice. All right. Continuing here. And I think lastly, I'm gonna just give it a little bit more of a kind of fix the outer line. I like drawing a thick line on the outside. I'm gonna do that. It's already got a pretty thick line on the contour. I'm just gonna, you know, continue to do it more. Like make it a little bit thicker and make that line a little bit, you know, kind of more consistent. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Anyways, that is it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification. Also, do me a huge favor and share the video. When you share the video, sharing is caring. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.